Today at the International Harvester Managerial Clubhouse, our community came together in unity, reflection, and hope. This National Day of Prayer is a sacred moment, a time when hearts and voices join in lifting our nation in prayer. The Shelby County Sheriff's Office were proud to be a part of this meaningful moment. Here's what Sheriff Floyd Bonner Jr. shared about today's event.
Well, it was such a special day today, the day of prayer all across the nation. And I believe all of us need prayer, and to have representation here in the City of Lakeland to represent the Sheriff's Office, it was certainly an honor to pray for our elected officials as well as our agency and our community. So it was a really big deal for me to be here today. It's so important for us to show up because we need to let the public know that we care, and then the love and the respect that I received from the citizens of Lakeland after the ceremony was over with, and people coming up to me and talking to me and telling me about how much they appreciate law enforcement. And a lot of times we in law enforcement, we only hear the negative, but it was so refreshing this morning to hear some positive comments for us. The power of prayer. That is important. It should be, I feel like, should be an important part of our daily lives. Some of the pastors that spoke and some of the pastors that prayed, and it's all about saving souls and people coming to Jesus Christ. And I just think that it makes for a better community for all of us, that all of us learn patience and learning how to deal with one another. Certainly, we can have certain views about all the things that's going on, but at the end of the day, it's about our love for Jesus Christ, our love for God, and a love for our community. And as an elected official, that's what we do. That's why we do what we do. And I pray for all our elected officials that we have that wisdom and courage, and to be able to get along and to agree to disagree sometimes is okay, but never take it personal.
Commissioner of Lakeland, Connie McCarter, spoke about how much this event meant to our community.
The National Day of Prayer gives me an opportunity, and also the City of Lakeland, to stop and reflect on what are the needs we have and how we can approach the throne room of God and ask Him to help us to meet these needs. It was very uplifting to have the sheriff and also the fire chief as well here today to pray for safety in our community. As we all well know, we have a great need for improvement in safety in our community and with our constituents. And I was very proud to see our leadership here today to take some time to pray about those issues.
We were joined by other fellow public servants from local, county, and state officials who stood in solidarity with those gathered to lift our nation, our leaders, and our community in prayer. On behalf of the Shelby County Sheriff's Office, we want to thank Commissioner of Lakeland, Tennessee, Connie McCarter, for inviting us to be a part of this year's National Day of Prayer. It was an honor for us to stand alongside our community in faith, and we are truly grateful for this opportunity to share in such a meaningful and unifying event.